Welcome to the latest episode of Weekly Immigration News by Raju Law. This week, we brought to you 4 latest developments in the immigration arena. Let's start with the headlines. White House limits benefits for undocumented immigrants. Guidance on work authorization verification. Economic risks from shrinking immigrant workforce. Green card replacement wait time surged nearly 1,000%. Let's get into details. The White House announced the administration is taking steps to block undocumented immigrants from accessing federally funded benefits such as preschool and food assistance. The announcement cited changes from the Departments of Health and Human Services, Education, Agriculture, Labor, and Justice. Moving on, Department of Labor Acting Assistant Secretary issued Training and Employment Guidance Letter 10/23 Change 2, directing the Public Workforce Development System to update all policies and procedures to ensure all Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act program participants have valid U.S. work authorization. Next up, a recent jobs report highlights a growing risk to U.S. economic growth from declining immigration and labor force participation. Though unemployment remains low, over 735,000 foreign-born workers have left the workforce since January. Experts, including Fed Chair Jerome Powell, blame restrictive immigration policies, mass deportations, parole terminations, and refugee bans for the slowdown. Sectors like healthcare face severe staffing shortages as work authorization disappear. Research also challenges the idea that cutting immigrant labor boosts wages, showing wage growth has slowed in industries one reliant on immigrant workers. Finally, USCIS data reveals that processing times for green card renewals and replacements from I-90 have skyrocketed nearly 1,000% in just one quarter. From January to March 2025, the median wait time jumped from under a month to over 8 months as application volumes and backlogs surged. Over 356,000 cases remained pending at the end of the second quarter of fiscal year 2025. USCIS now estimates 80% of green card replacements could take over a year to process. The delays come amid broader immigration backlogs and the Trump administration's stepped-up enforcement efforts, leaving many lawful permanent residents in limbo while waiting for proof of legal status.